Hi, my name is Eric, and I'm the owner of Advanced Window Cleaning. When you book a service with us, there are many things that you'll notice that set us apart from other businesses like ours, and these are just a few. Customer service is our top priority. From the moment you book a service with us to the close of the job, you will be kept in the know from start to finish. We send out email and text alerts the minute you book a service to remind you of future appointments, along with the lead technician's name so you'll know who will be coming to your home. You'll receive text alerts when our technicians are on their way to begin the job and again when they finish the job, so you'll never be left guessing on the status of the service being performed. Our customer safety and security is of the utmost importance to us. All Advanced Window Cleaning employees are background checked and drug tested annually to keep you safe. All our technicians wear badges displaying the picture, the date of the last background check, and a scan code if you wanted to check for yourself. This way, you know what the technician looks like who will be coming to the appointment, so there is no question that it's one of our people showing up at your door. Our quality sets our company apart from the rest. Our technicians must complete a checklist for each job, ensuring we completed all the necessary steps, and one of those steps being a walk around with you to confirm everything looks great before we leave the job site. Once the job is completed, our office staff will give you a call within 24 hours to check in and make sure everything went smoothly and that you're happy with your service. We do not just clean, we care, and that's the Advanced way. Come and see why we have the most 5-star reviews and why we are the best choice for window cleaning, gutter cleaning, and power washing services. Thank you.